Hello kids, a very good morning to you. I am Monisha from Bharatidasa Matriculation School, Arakonam. Today we are going to see an interesting topic, lesson number 10, the world of growing knowledge from 5th standard. The subject is social studies. So, in this lesson, what are all the things we are going to discuss? I will tell you just now, you listen. So, first we are going to discuss about the writing. Okay, so how the early man started to writing. Next, we are going to discuss about the numbers. Okay, so what is the purpose, why they have invented the numbers. The next, we are going to discuss about the story of paper. Who has invented the paper, how they have invented the paper. The next thing we are going to discuss about the Braille script. So, what is meant by a Braille script? Who's invented the Braille script and what is the use of a Braille script? And the last we are going to discuss about the literacy and progress. So, these are all the things we are going to discuss in this lesson. So, first we will see in the few topics in the part 1 and the remaining and all we will see in the part 2. Yes children, so early man started to observe the things what is happening around them. So, it is not possible to record or else it is not possible to memorize all the events, what are all the things and what are all the events he is observing day by day. So, he is need to record the events. Okay, so he started to record the events. By recording method only he will know it, the message it will be passed to the next generation. So, with the help of recording method only the message or else any information it will be passed to the next generation. So, they have slowly started to record the events. So, first they have started the drawing. First, they have started the method of drawing. Okay. So, how they have drawn? What is whether he is used paintings? I will tell you. So, that is the early man thought if the only method they need to record the events, then only the message or else any information it will be passed through the next generation. So, how they have drawn? Okay. So, what is the material they have used? So, they have used the burnt piece of wood. They have used the burnt piece of wood to draw. So, they have drawn in the caves where they lived. Okay, so they have drawn in the caves where they lived. You just see the picture. So, this picture is also one of the drawing which was found in that earliest civilization. So, they have started to record the events. The first step, what is the first step they have done means they have used the drawing. Okay, so how they have drawn means with the help of a burnt piece of an wood, they have started to drawing. Yes, slowly. Okay, so after the diagrams, after the diagram representation, they have slowly developed the art of writing. Okay, so what is the thing now we are going to discuss about? Yes, art of writing. Okay, so you know before itself I have said, so that is the early man communicate with the help of signs and gestures. Okay, so that means that is by action words only they have communicated. So, earlier the means of communication in lesson itself I have said, right. So, the early man started to communicate with through the signs and gestures. So, later only they used a voice to express their feelings as well as the thoughts. Okay, so later only they have used the voices to express their feelings as well as the thoughts. Yes. So, by this the earliest script, so after the symbols formation, so first a diagram, the next they have used the signs and symbols for communication, then they have used their voices, later they have used symbols for the communication purpose. So, after the invention of symbols, they have invented the script. S-C-R-I-P-T. Script. Okay. So, that is the earliest form of script is said to be an cuneiform. Okay. The earliest form of script is said to be an cuneiform. Okay, so who has invented the cuneiform? Yes, good, very good. The cuneiform was invented by the Sumerians. Sumerians, Sumerians. Okay, so that is the Sumerians developed a script known as an cuneiform. So what is the word cuneiform? The meaning it will be there. Shall I tell you? Yes, the word cuneiform means wedge shaped. W-E-D-G-E, wedge shape. S-H-A-P-E, shape. The word cuneiform means it's nothing but a wedge shaped tool. So just look at this picture, children, it will be like this. Okay, so if you can notice means the symbols, it will be like this. So this is an cuneiform. So the earliest form of script which was developed by the Sumerians is known as an cuneiform. Now you tell me, Rohit Verma, so what does a cuneiform means? Yes, that is the earliest form of script which was developed by the Sumerians is known as an cuneiform. Yes, at the same time, okay, at the same time the Egyptians also developed a system of picture writing. Okay, so see this, the Egyptians is also developed a system of picture writing. If you notice this means you can see this. Okay, so this picture refers to the boat and this picture refers the high. Okay, and this picture refers the bird. Okay, some of the pictures it will be there. Can you notice means you can see this. This picture refers a one boy is standing like this. Okay, so that is the Egyptians used a system of picture writing is said to be the hieroglyphics. Pronounce it hieroglyphics. So, Egyptians used a system of picture writing called as hieroglyphics. So, based on this, the many scripts have been developed. Okay, so the script. So, first we have seen the cuneiform. The next we have discussed about the hieroglyphics. So, based on this, the many scripts have been developed. The later only, the Brahmi script has been developed. So, you know what is the spelling for Brahmi? B-R-A-H-M-I. Brahmi script. Brahmi script has been developed. So, based on this Brahmi script, many scripts has been developed. So, that is our Hindi language, right? Okay. So, Hindi language, that is which is based on an Devanagari script. Okay. So, our official language Hindi is based on Devanagari script. So, Devanagari script is based on the Brahmi script. Okay. So, our Hindi language is based on the Devanagari script. So, Devanagari script is based on the Brahmi script. So, later only the Hindi, Persian as well as the Urdu and many languages have been developed. Okay. So, that is the Brahmi script later developed. Based on the Brahmi script, the Devanagari script has been developed. So, based on the Devanagari script, the Hindi language is developed. Later only a Persian, Urdu languages have been developed. Okay, so now you clear in this art of writing, children? Yes. So, what is the hieroglyphics? Good. Egyptians used a system of picture writing is known as an hieroglyphics. Yes. Okay. So, that is the symbols will slowly leads to the formation of an seals. Okay. So, now we are hearing a word seals, right? So, that is it is found in an Indus Valley civilization. So, what they have read, some seals have been kept in a Delhi museum. So, still we can't understand. Okay, so still the writing is not known to the person. So, what does the word it is there? What is the letters it will be there? Still some of the historians are searching the what is the letters and what does they trying to convey the message. Okay, so some of the seals which have been found in an Indus Valley civilization. So, now it is kept in an Delhi museum. The next we are moving for numbers. Okay. So, first we have discussed about the art of writing. So, now we are moving for numbers. Okay. So, that is the early man which is used to hunt the animal. Okay. So, their habit is there, right? Right. Their occupation is also like that only. So the early man used to hunt the animal. Okay, so he needed to identify them, how many they have hunted. He needed to identify them, so that he started to counting. Okay, so that he started counting the animals, how many they have hunted. Okay, so by this they have used the fingers for counting. Okay, so first they have used their 10 fingers for counting. Okay, so first they have used the 10 fingers for counting. So that is, what are the animals they have hunted? So they have counted with the help of that 10 fingers. So later the Romanians, okay, so the Roman people have introduced the 7 letters to write the numbers. Okay, so that is later a Roman people which has introduced the 7 letters to write the numbers. Okay, so nowadays also we are using this Roman letters in our schools also. Okay, right? Right or not? So if you know whether you are a 5th standard, right? Number. We are using a V, right? So V stands for 5. Okay, so this is an Roman numerals. Okay, so now too we are following the Roman numeral system. Okay, so now we are following the Indo-Romanic numeral system. I'll tell you. So that is, the M stands for 1000, and D stands for 500, and C stands for 100, and L stands for 50, and X stands for 10, and V stands for 5, and I stands for 1. Okay, so this is a numerals system. So Roman numerals system. So this systems now too we are following. Okay, and the Sumerians is also used. They have developed some of the special shapes. Sumerians is also developed some of the special shapes. Yes. So after the invention of this new Roman numerals, okay, so later our Indian scholar, okay, our great Indian scholar Aryabhatta invented the concept of zero. So by this, the number system, that means the addition, subtraction, division becomes very easy. Okay, so by the invention of a zero, the mathematics is said to be very easy. So it turns a complex mode into an simple mode. Okay, so Aryabhatta invented the concept of zero. So that is the number system we are using nowadays, right? So that system we can say it as an Indo-Arabic system. So the number system we can say it as an Indo-Arabic system. So now you tell me, Jitish, who's invented the zero? Yes? Good. Aryabhatta invented the concept of zero. Yes. So with this, I would like to give a small recap what are all the things we have discussed in this session. So first we have discussed about the art of writing. So in that we have discussed about the Egyptian script as well as a Sumerian script. So that is an cuneiform as well as an hieroglyphics. So next we have discussed about the numbers. Okay, so numbers, that is an Roman numerals and as well as the Indo-Arabic system. So we will see the remaining topics in that next session. Okay, so we have attached the study material and question bank in the below for the descriptions. So go through it and do the self-assessment and check it out how much you have understood the concept. Thank you, children.